So when you first go onto ManyLink, you should see this. The first thing you want to do is change your picture or description. Here you can add a profile picture and add a bio. I'm just going to keep the profile picture and just skip on the bio and then click update profile. Now remember, this is going to be essentially a landing page. So when people click on the link on Instagram, they're going to be taken to this page here. And on this page, you can have multiple links. So we can click here, add link, and you can add a title. So I'm going to add YouTube. And then I'm just going to enter in a link to YouTube here. Then you can add a description as well, and you can enable or disable the description. You can also add an image, so you can upload an image, so you could upload your YouTube icon, or you can pick from Instagram any image that you've already uploaded. I'm not going to do any of that, I'm just going to click on create link. And then here we have a YouTube link, and we can do the same for any links to any other websites. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to copy this link here. And this is the link you'll put in your Instagram bio. So say for example, now we can go back onto Chrome. I'm going to paste in this link. So when people click on this link from your Instagram bio, they're going to see this page here and they're going to see the different links that they can go and click on. Now you notice it was black, there wasn't much of a theme going on. If you just go to appearance here, you can then change the theme and you can change how it looks basically. You've got a nice retro theme there. You've got a nice purple theme, and you can change that and you can mess around with all of them settings. So you can add multiple links, you can change the theme, and then you want to put that link on your website link on Instagram. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.